What's going on, MultiGP drone racing fans? I'm Reese Dockhand, EVP of Video Productions for MultiGP, and one of my favorite parts of my position is to try to make you guys famous. Yeah, that's a difficult one to do, and I joke about it, but we really need the community's help. So turn the camera around and tell us what you're doing wherever you are. To help you tell the story, all you need to do is answer 5 questions. Who, what, when, where, why. And that's a full story. We want to see some cool drone racing videos coming from you, and check out this next video that I made of Joe Nall. We took a school bus from South Miami to South Carolina for the biggest RC event in the US, Joe Nall. Check it out, tell me what you like about it and what you don't like about it in the comments below. Enjoy.
Alright, we'll get it this way. Alright guys, I found a pilot that's crazy enough to let me chase them while they fly their big ass plane.
What did I just see?
Hi, I'm Joe Hidzuki, Revolution Kites, and this kite is amazing.
Welcome to Joe Nall, folks. Oh, stop it, it tickles!
Just taking it easy on these guys so they actually can chase me.
I mean, there's a plane. Right up on top.
Breaker, we're going down, we're going down.
Ah, crap, bird!
For 1 week a year, Triple Tree is the center of the RC universe. Everything and everybody is here now doing what they do.
No, do you not know how a double elimination bracket works? Man, you qualified for your heat and your seat. So, you know, if you can't make your first race, you're automatically in the losers brackets.
The fastest 16 pilots on Tsunami for the day get moved on to the finals at the end of the day. That's how it works. Okay.
You running the MultiGP Regional Series?
I'm trying to find a regional to go to because all the ones in my region I can't go to right now, but maybe.
But they want to talk about snowflakes, about 20-year-olds and 30-year-olds being sensitive. I don't think so. Not here.
We're in Joe Nall.
World star! I just got whooped! I just got whooped!
Boom! There you go, guys. That's Joe Nall. We got plenty more where that came from. We filmed like 2.7 terabytes on that fun trip. So if you like that show, comment below and subscribe, and we'll try to get you some more episodes soon. Thanks for tuning in.